Now that summer is upon us as we stay at home, it is a perfect time to make a pitcher of fresh squeezed, wholesome, old-fashioned lemonade. But one of the problems with making lemonade at home is that the sugar always settles at the bottom and that the flavor is uneven and often tardy. How can we avoid this? Continue watching to learn how. First, you will need fresh lemons. The San Fernando Valley used to be occupied by orange and lemon orchards, so you still might find some of these trees in our neighbors' yards. These are quote-unquote ugly homegrown lemons. Don't avoid them. They are just as delicious as store-bought ones and grown with a lot less chemicals too. These instructions are for making 2 quarts of lemonade. Extract approximately 6 ounces of lemon juice from the lemons. If you want your lemonade less pulpy, strain it while pouring it into a 2-quart container. Use a glass container for the initial mixing. You'll see why later. Pour the lemon juice into your container and add about a cup or so of water. Then pour sugar into a mug. Very important, pour the same amount of sugar as the amount of lemon juice that you extracted. The mistake usually made here in making lemonade at home is that the sugar is immediately mixed with the lemon and water. Stop. What you need to do now is boil water, then pour the boiling water into the mug with the sugar in order to melt the sugar. And now avoiding the problem of sugar settling at the bottom of your lemonade or the lemonade not tasting evenly sweet. Here's a tip. White sugar works best. Brown sugar will give your lemonade an off color. I do not recommend any sugar substitutes. Whisk the sugar until it is mostly melted. Then add to the lemon juice and water. You might have to pour more boiling water into your mug, whisk, and add again to the container to get all the sugar out. That's why the container needs to be glass to withstand the heat of the boiled water. Then add water to your container, filling to the top, and mix. The taste will be lemony but not tart, sweet but not overpoweringly sweet, so you can adjust the sugar as per your preference. Then chill. While chilling, you could add a slice of cucumber or a sprig of mint for a more complex flavor. Then serve on ice and enjoy. In Los Angeles for Digital Nest, this is Ivan Sanchez. We live in interesting times.
Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel right over here. And if you like this video, make sure you check out our Digital Nest curated playlist over here.